have been so tired lately because I have been setting up my new space, and I know you guys want a home tour and it is coming. So, yeah, I just want to just kind of take a shower and pamper my hair a little bit because, as you can tell, like, this is not cute. Okay, this is not cute at all. So today I just wanted to have a chill day and like actually just give my hair some much needed TLC. So you're about to see me go from this to let's take it from the top. First, we start off with washing our hair. This is a very, very tedious process. I might want it to look like this. But honestly, this is how it looks like. I have soap everywhere and yeah, in between, I don't know where I'm looking, and I also have my private singing sesh. But anywho, once we're out of the shower, I know we look like a hungry tigress, but the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum to the rescue! It claims that just one pump of this serum can cut frizz and smoothen hair by 87% and also prevent damage from sunlight by 43%. And y'all know I need both of those things for my frizzy ass hair, and since I am using heat on my hair, it also says that it protects your hair from heat damage to up to 230 degrees Celsius, because yes, I do tend to go pretty hot with my styling tools, and literally in a matter of 10 to 15 minutes I go from this to this. Voila! And again, I'm going to be taking a little bit of this in my palms and applying it to the ends of my hair just to give back some shine and smoothness and awesomeness to my hair. And I love the fact that it is so lightweight and non-sticky. And I feel like because it has this rare 6-oil blend, it kind of gives you that non-sticky feel, which I love. And ta-ta-ta! Here I am with gorgeous, healthy, shiny, sexy hair. And honey, I totally feel worth it. I am honestly shook as to how good my hair looks, because if you've been following me for a while, y'all know that my hair went through a lot of trauma. Not like the trauma in my life was any less. My hair also had to go through its own trauma. And I am just so happy that I finally found something that works for my hair. What I love about this is that it is so lightweight. Like, I have very porous hair. So what that means is that when I was in the UAE, my hair was jhadu. That is because over there you get khara pani, and even if you use a filter or whatever in the shower, my hair would literally feel crunchy after like a day or two of washing my hair. So first of all, so happy back in India, and my hair is like thanking me and telling me thank you. And also, I mean, this is not like the first time I've tried it. It's like I've used it for at least 2-3 weeks now. But a little goes a long way. So it's not like मैंने एक ही बार use किया and I'm like making this video. I've used it a couple of times. I actually even used it on my mom after she was done coloring her hair, and she also said that she loved using this. I love that it is lightweight, and you can see how healthy and shiny my hair is looking right now. Honestly, when you have like a good hair day going on, you just feel so much more fierce. You know what I mean? And this hair though, I just feel like I'm ready to be like, baby, seems like everywhere I go I see you. From your eyes you smile, it's like I breathe you. Helpless me and reminiscence, don't want to compare nobody to you. I might not have a life like Beyonce, but hey, I can at least have hair like hers. And I will link the L'Oreal Paris hair serum down in the description box for you guys to check it out. Honestly, this has definitely been life-changing for me because you have seen how bad my hair was when I had like a blonde moment, and it has taken a lot, and I mean a lot. And I'm sure a lot of other girls deal with this who have like frizzy hair, because I am like the queen of frizzy hair. Also, it is at a very good price point. I feel it's like, I think it is for 499, 500 rupees. And other hair serums which are, I know of other like professional hair serums which cost slightly more, and they haven't worked for me at all. Like honestly, they haven't. And this is also very easily accessible, and it doesn't require too much of like hair knowledge for you to be able to utilize it in so many different ways. So that's why I think it is great. Also, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Me and my lovely hair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I better be taken on a date sometime soon, because this hair cannot go to waste. Okay?